my OGs, it's Emily. I'm back with another video. Today's video is just going to be on this unit from Supernova Hair. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Bye y'all. Today's video is just this 5x5 closure from Supernova. This hair is super soft, y'all. I'm so excited to do this video. This hair is so nice. Well, it feels so nice. I'm just adjusting my straps. Super nice, like over my ears and stuff. I love that because some of these closure units do not fit over my ears too nicely. So I'm loving how that's fitting. And this is their curly unit. So she is super big and pretty. y'all. So this is she's super pretty, super big, and she is a closure. So I was really impressed that I could style her this way, because I didn't think that I would be able to, just because you know how normally these units are on the sides. But this one is really nice. The hair is super soft, like literally you can run your fingers through it, and it's curly hair. You guys know I don't define my hair all the way down, but right here I do kind of want a little bit more moisture. Okay, yeah, you guys know I don't wet my hair all the way down, so it is still a little bit big, but I did wet this one a great deal. But some of these are still just like the natural pattern, the way that the hair just comes. And it is 26 inches and I believe 180% density, because she is super full, and I'm here for it. Like, I love this. It's so soft, like it is so soft, like it's super soft. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this unit, all of the links will be in the description box to the company. I don't know, it may or may not be a discount code in there, I don't know, but yeah, so I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.